6 greater than 2, 6 greater than 3, 6 greater than 4, 6 greater than 5. By increasing production from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are increasing your profit from -3 to 1, 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7. All right? So this is the managerial condition for your business. Or if you are doing job, your boss can call and can say you, should we have to involve another shift to produce more? Then you call, then you will say on a call, sir, wait a second, and you call to your accountant or your production manager, what is our current MR? MR is equal to the market price. All right? You know what is the product or what is the market price of the product? It is visibly published in the newspapers, in the market, you can find out easily. And what is your, right now, what is your MC? If your MC, if your MR is, if your market price is 8, your MC is 4, and then on the same 1 second, you can call your boss. Boss, we need to have another shift. Hire more workers, right? Produce more. When you produce more, your profit gonna increase. Guys, this is very important point which will help you in your future business as well. Understand? And we have a hint here as well. MR greater than MC. If you just remove the M here, revenue greater than cost. If you have the condition here where MR is greater than MC, just remember that revenue greater than cost, which means produce more. Simple. That is a hint if you don't understand. Okay? But it's very simple. If you see, even the table here, if MR greater than MC, see, produce more. You will have more profit. If MC is equal to MR, your profit is maximum. And if your MC is greater than the MR, which means revenue less than the cost, M, if you just omit the M here, it means by producing more, your profit is decreasing. By producing more and selling more, your profit is decreasing. It means reduce the production. Here, decrease the production. If MR less than MC, decrease the production. All right? Any question?
Nope, all clear.
Good. So it means we have a condition, profit maximizing condition for our competitive market. So we have revenue structure of the competitive firm, that is P is equal to MR is equal to AR. And where we have to produce to get the maximum profit, we have to produce where MC is equal to MR. In competitive market, your price is equal to AR is equal to your marginal cost is equal to your marginal revenue. That is very important. Right? In order to have a maximum profit, the market price must be equal to your marginal cost. All right? So, did you remember from our previous, we just have a revision as well, that MC is upward sloping, ATC U-shaped curve, and MC crosses the ATC at its minimum. So let's see that. This is MC, this is every total cost. So this is the cost structure. And at lower of the efficient scale, the efficient scale? You see, MC, want to talk about that the left hand side of the efficient scale is you need to produce more. Why? If you produce more, your cost is declining here, right? And if we combine it with the market price, see, price is equal to AR is equal to MR. So many students confused with this. Let me discuss that. And that is, we talk about here, see, market price, MR, MC. If we draw the graph here, average cost, MR, and the price. Increase in quantity, your price is fixed. Average increase in quantity, your AR is fixed. Increase in quantity, your MR is fixed. So your revenue structure would be that you have, this is the market price. It is same as marginal revenue, and it is same as average revenue. Our three lines are on the same point. All right. And what is our cost structure? Our cost structure is, we talked about in our previous lecture, the average total cost is U-shaped, MC cuts the ATC at its minimum. All right. If we combine our revenue structure with the cost structure together, here we go. My bad. Excuse my drawing is really bad. Every total cost, MC cuts at it, the ATC at its minimum, and we have every total cost. Not every total cost. This is price is equal to AR is equal to MR. So where we need to produce? What is the condition? Produce where? Produce where MC is equal to MR. So MC is equal to MR is where point? And MC crosses, this is the MR, this is the MC, it crosses here. How much is the quantity? Quantity is on quantity line. That quantity, if you produce, you will get maximum profit. Now you understand? Now let's look at this profit maximization diagram. I didn't write the ABC, every variable cost, because we don't have to consider it. Only every total cost and MC, just for you. So where we have to produce? MC is equal to NR. If you produce here, your profit would be maximum. All right. Beyond this point, at this point, Q2, at this point, this is your MR, this is your MC. At this point, MC greater than MR. which means your profit declines. So you would say reduce the production. At Q1, this is your MC, and this is your MR. MR1 as well. So here, MR greater than MC, you ask your manager to increase the shift or hire more people to produce more, because producing more will give you maximum profit. Now guys, you understand this picture? Havarun, Marco, Venetia, Nicholas, Oliver, Sufyan,
Understood.
Om,
Yes.
Lancelot. Good. Let's move further. So if you understand that, answer this question. For a firm in perfectly competitive market, the price of a good is always, first of all, whenever you read these kind of questions, always mark which kind of market you are in. Perfectly competitive market. Now, recall what you have discussed in the revenue structure is price is equal to AR is equal to MR, and profit maximizing condition is MC is equal to MR.
A.
Oh, and now when you read the options here, you will easily pick up the right choice.